Nice grind wheel, man.
Yeah, look at that. See, this was a mechanic shop. Sorry, Sean had to turn his phone off because he ran out of memory on his phone. So the rest of the adventure is going to have to be on my phone. And then what we're probably going to have to do is we're probably going to have to come back. And we're going to have to come. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, dude, look at this starter generator thing. I don't wonder if this still works. The fuck was that? All right, well, come on. I got to get my cane out of that house, and we got to go back to the campsite. Come on. We'll come back at 3 a.m. You hear me? The one back there, that red one.
That looks like a welding machine.
Yeah, but it's got the two things on it. You know what I'm saying? The two, like, jumper cables for, like, cars. Look at that. It's a fucking oil filter right there, brand new. Look. Tampa, Florida. Tampa Nugget, what is that?
I don't know, let's go.
Hang on, let's look in this box real quick. Oh, it's an old cigar box. Look at that, you guys. It's an old cigar. Yeah, we're going. We're going at that noise. We're going. We're leaving. We'll be back though at 3 a.m. if you want to come back and talk to us. Look, 96373. Wonder what that means. Huh.
You're going out the wrong way.
Sean?
What?
I just got really cold and my phone just did a little like spritz thing.
Right.
Like a ghost just walked in front of my camera like.
Let's go.
You know how it has those lines? Look, it's doing it right now. Look, you see the lines?
Oh shit.
Oh my god, what is around me right now? Oh, I gotta come back. 3 a.m. ghosts, we're coming back. We gotta go charge our shit and store our. Oh my god, I gotta delete a lot of shit on my phone. Okay, look, fam. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video or not. My phone is going on the fritz right now. Sean, hold this. Point it at me. Look, you guys, we're going back to the campsite. Okay, we're going back to the campsite, and then we're gonna come back to the cemetery at 3 a.m. And then we're gonna come back to these houses at 3 a.m. Because guess what?
Your picture's
K
blurry
Styles,
too.
I know, K Styles is not scared of anything.
You got 5% remaining.
Hit you back in a bit, fam. My phone's dying.